Hi, properly this time. Greetings to another video. Today's video, I'm gonna do a kind of a prep of what I do before a big ride or a little mini adventure, because my bike is getting prepped today. Tomorrow morning, very early tomorrow morning, a couple of us are gonna be going on a little trip, a little adventure. You'll see that later in the week, probably tomorrow. So I thought I'd just go through all the stuff that I do before that ride. So bike stuff, food stuff, like all that kind of jazz. So let's just show you what I do before a big ride.
So the first thing is hydration. You want to make sure that you are drinking enough water in the run up to like a long ride. So for me, I mean, I drink a fair bit of water anyway, but I'll make sure that I'm drinking at least maybe like 3 or 4 litres just before a big long ride. So I just like mine with water out of a jar, just because it's the only thing that you can really get a litre of water in. So I kind of just make sure that I drink 3 or 4 of those a day. That's how I kind of measure it. And then we get on to food. So this is going to be some of the food that I'm taking on the ride. We are going to be stopping at supermarkets kind of on the way down. So I've got my electrolyte tablets, I've got some Kendall mint cake, I've got some little jelly sweets, which are vegan from Aldi, which are amazing, and my favourite date. So I just chuck them all in a bag and then put them in the bag that I'm taking down with me. And then we get on to charging. You've got to get one of these things, like these multi-chargers, because I've just got so many things to charge. So you want to charge lights, you know, computers, like your cycle computer, and I charge in a drone and a camera. And then you just want to, I always actually check over my tyres just to make sure that there's nothing on them, like any kind of glass or anything, and then just poke them out if there's anything there that might cause a puncture. And then all you want to do is just pump your tyres up, and that's going to depend what kind of ride you're doing. I probably pump mine up to around 90. It's going to be a road ride. Also, it looks like I don't have shorts on. I do have shorts, but they are just short shorts. So yeah, I'm just doing the back one as well. So yeah, you just don't want to be faffing around doing this on the morning when you're setting off, because I've done it before and you're just like, oh, it's just a bit of a faff, so always do it the day before. And then now I'm just checking my dynamo. This is not going to, be the same for all of you, but if you've got anything like electronic like that, even your lights, just check them the day before, because for whatever reason, if they're not working, you've got time to go and get a replacement. And I'm just checking that the dynamo light is working, and the dynamo is working basically. So I'm just spinning that out. So yeah, that is the Exposure Revo dynamo light. It is incredible. So yeah. And then you want to get all your cycle clothing ready the night before. It's a very simple thing, but I've done this before and I haven't, and then you're just faffing around trying to find stuff. I just feel like it just helps when you've got everything laid out and just ready to go. I used to do this with running races as well. Like, it's just nice to wake up and have it all there. So I've got my gloves, leg warmers, because we're going to be setting off in the night and it's going to be cold. So yeah, just getting all that set out. And then, this thing you just want to check over the route. Apologies for the thumb. It's basically toilet roll held on with a bobble because I sliced my thumb cutting some potatoes. So just ignore that. It does look ridiculous, but it's keeping it from blood going everywhere. So yeah, I'm just checking over the route now, just double checking what it's going to look like. Ooh, look at that elevation profile. And then you just want to get into bed early and get some extra sleep the night before.
So I hope you found that helpful, and yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. If you do want me to do like an actual gear setup, bike setup thing for doing the trip that I'm going to be doing, then leave it in the comments. I can do that when I get back. But for now, I'm just very excited to get out for a few days on the bike. In fact, oh no, I was going to say follow my Instagram, but I'll already be back by the time that you see this video, so don't worry. You can follow me on Instagram if you want anyway, but I will see you next video. Also, my thumb. Oh, it's so painful. Sliced it. I was slicing potatoes and my thumb went in like the slicer. Oh, in fact, I've got you don't need to know this, I've got a really bad scar from doing the same thing before on another finger. So just be careful when you're slicing potatoes. Right, I'll see you next video. Hope you've had a good weekend. I'm trying to figure out, 'cause it's today's Friday, but you'll see this on Monday. So anyway, I want to go. I'm just confusing you. Okay, bye. How does it put a plug in?